This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, external shower, awning, Colorado Detector, spare tire kit, oven, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, refrigerator, water heater, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 6,386 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.